so happy. These days, all these stickers are fun to peel. Look at it. I like this neat clean. Peel. Oh, I love this bag. So, when you travel or when you drive, when I travel or when I drive, I need some further distance, long distance glasses. And the summertime, when it is hot, when it is bright sunshine, I would prefer some sunglasses with degree and not bifocal. I have hard time with bifocal, so this is exactly what I want. Now let me try if it is right. Let's see. Look at the shape. This is warm color. This feels quite good, actually. This is cold color. Now I will wear it and see how it works. Oh my goodness, it's a little bit loose. Now you will see me, okay? Okay. Let's get that halo behind. Treat it with respect. Okay, so let's see the cool color. I should let it fly off a little bit. Shh. A little bit loose. Oh, this because butterfly glasses usually, this part are wider. So it's okay. It's not falling down. Maybe I can hook this, make it a little bit tighter. Otherwise. And I can see my eyebrow. I need to work with my eyebrow. I cannot be lazy like the other one. This one, I save me the work on eyebrow because it just cover up. I can save my energy on putting on eyebrow, but this one I cannot save. I have to work on eyebrow. Now let's see the warm one. Okay, I am done with my purchase for now. Yeah, it feels warm. It feels the color all yellowish, reddish, and it feels sunset golden. With this color, you feel gold. Yeah, and when I wear something cool, warm, red color, yellow color, earth color, this will be good. And this one, well, everything, it feels in the morning, it feels cool and it feels cooling down. It feels that freshness in front of your eyes. And this one will be this kind of cold color, some blue color, white color, greenish, greenish, bluish, greenish, cold color. That's about it. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye. Another loser unboxing. Don't you think so? Loser unboxing is the best. Yeah, I love loser unboxing.